This milk bun is so soft, so fluffy, so freaking delicious, you just can't get enough. Come on, let's do this, shall we? The secret to this bread is the Tangzhong, which is basically a roux cooked on low heat with part liquid and flour. So in my case, I have 50 milliliters of water, 50 milliliters of milk, 100 gram of bread flour. Now we're going to cook this until it turns into a thick paste. Just like that. It's gonna feel a lot like gummy or marshmallow. Now we're going to let this cool for some time until it reaches 65 degrees or less. Now for the dough. Let's take 350 grams of bread flour. We're going to add 50 grams of sugar, 7 grams of yeast, instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of salt. Let's give everything a good mix. Now it's time to knead our dough. Add our warm milk, 70 milliliters, 1 whole egg and 1 extra yolk, and set this to mix on low speed for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until you have a smooth and elastic dough. Also now add your Tangzhong. Once you see the dough is kind of come together, it's time to add 70 grams of softened butter. Oh wow, all these years I have been kneading with my hands. This is incredible. Once your dough has come together, take it out, just shape it into one uniform ball. Now we're going to have to let this proof for 1 to 2 hours, or at least until the dough has doubled in size. Keep it in a warm spot. Okay, it's been 2 hours, and as you can see, the dough has doubled. Now we're going to take it out and divide it and shape it into nice balls so we can bake. Now while I'm doing that, let's talk a bit about the texture of your bun. So basically there are two main components. The fluffier you want your bun to be, the more butter you need to have into the dough. But if you want the bun to be stretchier, you need to add more eggs. For example, if I wanted to have my bun more stretchy, I would have added 1 extra egg. If I wanted to be more fluffy and cake-like, I would have added more butter, right? So keep this in mind when you're baking yours. Don't forget to subscribe. And now let's pop these buns into the baking container for the final proof. Now we're going to let them proof for another 45 minutes. Okay, after the second proof is done, we can see they've taken a bit in size again. Now, before baking them, let's have a quick egg wash on the top, just to give an extra glaze. Now into the oven they go at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Fresh out of the oven, oh wow, they look amazing. Let's take this out. Oh man, look at these, how delicious they look. I wish I could just gobble them right out of the oven. Look at the dough structure. There's a perfect balance between the fluffiness and the stretchy, chewy texture. Let's talk numbers. I got around 8 good-sized buns out of this dough, and the ingredients total cost me around $3.54, which bring this to 44 cents per bun. Now usually these come into pack of 4 buns. At the Asian store I usually buy them and they come around $6 to $7. Pretty good, I would say. And that's a wrap for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.